You can't say Type 5 is good. Does it make sense? It's relatively, right? So, actually, most of the people in the world are Type 1 to Type 4. Nothing right and nothing wrong. But once you experience more, then you know actually what we need is Type 5. It comes with the Type 5. So we have the reason why we do New Skin. New Skin allow you and me to become Type 5. Okay, now you got it clear, okay? So after we become Type 5, we have all the resources. Then what do we do with the resources? It's all up to you. But this morning, I said, if you have all the resources, you better in this area. You got it? So that if you do this area, you become the best of yourself. Is that clear?
Yes.
So before I move on Type 5, I'll talk about Type 1 to Type 4 in a very short time. Okay. Type 1, professional. Lots of money, but no time.